Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a very special video about a cooperation with a DIY Mommy channel and other YouTube channels. Today I'm gonna show you a relooking of a corner of my kitchen. I'm sorry for my English first of all because I am Italian, so sorry for my English. I am so glad and so thankful to the DIY Mommy channel to give me the possibility to cooperate with you all. In the description box below you will find the link of all the YouTube channels who cooperate with us, and so let's get started. First of all, I removed the panel and removed all the photos. I was very sorry to do it, but I was also happy to make a nice change. I took a fabric that I bought last year in one of my favorite street markets, and I started to mark the shape of the panel. Then I cut the fabric and with my sewing machine I sew the edges. Now I took the panel and with a glue gun I glue the angles of the fabric. I don't want to glue them directly to the panel because if I change my mind I can put again the photos or even change or clean the fabric whenever I want. I secured all around the fabric with a paper tape so it won't move from the panel. If you want to make this project, I first recommend you to iron the fabric that you want to use. And finally, I mounted a new panel to this piece of furniture that I bought from IKEA a few years ago. To cover the drawers of the bread cabinet, I took this material I already had and cut into 3 strips. I insert them in the front of my drawers. Excuse me for the mess, but I will fix everything in the next videos. I made 3 placemats for my fruit cart and I added a small nest with 3 little legs to give the kitchen an easy touch. But we'll talk about this next time. And this is the wall transformation. Now everything has a fresh spring look, but I'll show you the last surprise. With the other fabric left, I also made the tablecloth. Okay guys, this video is finished. I hope you enjoyed my DIY, my decoration for spring. I wanted to thank you so much DIY Mommy channel to give me the possibility to cooperate with her and with all the channels that participate to this cooperation. Now this is all. I wanna thank you all for follow this video, and if you like this video please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you want to follow me, and goodbye. Thank you for all and see you next time. Bye.